Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing this look. It's a very soft glam kind of look, and I use the Morphe palette. This is in 25B. I used it, even the shimmer. I love the shimmer formulas in this palette. It's so good. It's like wet, but like not too wet, you know, like it just sticks on your eyes forever. I also included like a bunch of things from my haul video, so if you want to see how I use those, watch this. If you want to see what I bought, watch that. I don't know which side the cards will be at. It'll be somewhere here. So let's get started into this face. Sorry, my voice is a bit funny. I'm a bit sick, you know, but like I still want to do a video. I know I've been using the ColourPop one a lot, so I just want to try using this now and not the ColourPop one, because it keeps repeating. It's all browns and like reddish color. I love it. I will also be using some of the stuff that I think you should already see in the haul video. So and I'm way excited to be trying all this stuff. So yeah, stay tuned to see how all of this turns out. So as usual, I've already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm just setting the primer with this peachy color all over my eyes. The next color I took was this brownish color that I used in my crease, and like mostly focusing on the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm just using a rounded blending brush and just, you know, doing that wiper motion that I've always been saying in my videos, just like like a wiper. And then next color I take is a dark brown, and I'm still using the same brush. I'm focusing it on the outer corner of my eyes and dragging whatever is left on the brush into the crease. So then the next step is to blend. So I'm using a base shadow brusher to blend all the colors together and make sure there's no harsh lines. So you can see now it's a bit softer than what I first started with. Then taking back that peach color and just putting it on my brow bone. So I'm just taking this champagne gold color and using a flat shadow brush and just putting it all over my eyelid. And then after that, I'm using the base shadow brush again, the same brush, and just softening, like, you know, all the harsh lines of like whatever shimmer I just put on my eyes. Alright, so I'm breaking into my beauty blender and using my new Too Faced concealer. Now, I'm dotting it all over my face, and this is my first time using this concealer, so I was very excited, too excited, like just look at my face. Alright, and then I'm using my Temp beauty blender and just blending it out. And then aku nampak macam hantu doh. Like, oh my god, like this is the moment I realized that I look like a ghost. So I'm just blending it. So let me tell a funny story. I went to Sephora, you know, this was with my 20% off. I went there and I'm like, you know, asking the Sephora chick, hey man, can you like, you know, color match me? I want to use this like under my eyes. And then she took my wrist and she just like put this color on my wrist and it blended out, and she was like, oh yeah, so this matches your face. And I'm like, okay, alright, I trust you, you know, you're the Sephora lady. But I mean, I don't know, I mean, I think my lighting is just so bad that it makes me look like a ghost. And then like I feel like that wasn't enough, so here I am putting another dollop of it on my face and trying to blend it out. Shaza, why do you do that? But anyways, towards the end I don't look like such a ghost, but anyways, we'll get to there. So I'm just gonna set my under eye now with the No Sebum mineral powder from Innisfree with this Real Techniques brush, and then I also use it to set my whole face after, like, you know, putting in all that concealer on my face. And then I'm just completing the eye look with some eyeshadow underneath my lower lashes. And again, I'm just blending that out with the same brush. And then I'm curling my lashes with my Shu Umura eyelash color. I love this color. I've had this for years. And then I am using the Essence mascara that I always talk about, and it's also the only mascara I have. And then I'm using the Obsessed Face Palette here, and look at all those beautiful colors. And then I'm taking the contour color from the palette and just putting that in the hollows of my cheeks. I'm bringing it up to my temple and also down my jawline. And then this is the highlight color called Pixie Dust, if I'm not wrong. And I'm using a small fluff brush here from Colourpop and just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And I like this highlighter because it's like a purpley but not so purpley. You know, it's very pretty and it's very soft. Soft is the only word that I can use to describe this palette. It's very soft. And I also really like the formula of this palette. The powder is not chalky at all. Like if you swatch it with your fingers, it doesn't like, you know, ball up or anything. I had to put a couple of layers on because, like, I mean, I'm not saying it's not pigmented, but you know, I think I've had things that are just more pigmented than this. I'm using the same one and putting it in my inner corner and also my brow bone. And then still sticking to the same palette, taking this blush color and using a Real Techniques brush, putting that all over the apples on my cheek. Look, I look so rosy. It's such a nice color. I really love it. And the packaging is all marbly. It's cute. And then to finish off the look, I'm using the Dida and also this Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, look at that lip gloss, guys. I am obsessed. Like, whew, obsessed, yo. Like, oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I just want it on my lips forever. And then to set it all in, I'm using this Urban Decay setting spray. Well, here's the finished look. I really like how it turned out. It came out very like soft with glam. But oh my god, I love the gloss. Like, oh my god. So I bought the like baby one. Oh, so good. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I really like the Too Faced thing. I think I put a bit too much on, and then it just became white. But then I like buffed it out with my beauty blender. Oh my god, it's my first beauty blender. And I really like how it turned out. And I also really like this. This is my friend's company. Like, she started this with a bunch of her friends, and I really liked it. I used it as well. And the highlight, it's a bit too soft. Like, I always like my blushes and my, you know, whatever to be like, but like, you know, I think it's nice for a change. I look so soft. But yeah, I will put all the links down below so you can check it out and go get yourself one of these. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see what else I bought and, you know, all that jazz, I'll put a card up somewhere here. You can go watch that. So till then, till the next video, okay, let me know what you guys want me to do. Just put it down in the down below. All right, yeah, see ya.